Yes, YouTube, what's going on? Today I'm gonna show you how I do some mid skin fade. Yeah, my technique to do mid skin fade and how to do a nice shape up and the beard. I start with number 2 guard open, like you can see. This is my first guideline with my Babyliss Pro. This is a mid skin fade. Don't go too high, too low. I bought the size properly. My second guideline, 0 guard, fully open. Fully open. We do everywhere around. No guard open. This is my second guideline. Like you can see, guys. Always brush with some comb. Now try to take off the line. Guard close, take off the first guideline off. See the guard fully closed, guys. See, fully closed. On the line, we're not going up halfway to connect. This is my first guideline. I try to take it off. My second guideline is number 1. Fully open, guys, to make it easy for you guys. Fully open, like you can see. All the way around still. Now it's fully closed, guys, to make sure it's very smooth. This is the bigger guard I'm gonna use for this mid skin fade. Number 2, fully open. Number 2 guard open. If you cut the hair out, you can see. This is the bigger guard I'm using for this mid skin fade, guys. The biggest guard fully open. Now close. Still number 2 close, guys. Number 2 close. Now 1.5 fully open still to connect to number 2. 1.5 still open. One guard fully open still, guys, to connect to 1.5. Don't go too much up for where you stop the number 2 guard. So just stay between number 1 guard. Now is the half guard halfway open. Take off the first guideline where was number 1 guard close. My second guideline, number 1 guard close. Yeah. Is a half guard halfway open, guys. You can see the face start coming together. I'm going back there with number 1 guide open. Connect properly to make it clear. Doing some detail job to make it a bit crispy, guys. 1 guide open. Now no guard. The detail job, guys. Touching a bit the beard quickly to make it easy for me. There's 1.5 guard for the detail. Now this is this size. This is the other size. You see, always comb the hair properly to see what you are doing, guys. You see, get some comb on your right or left hand. Comb it all the time to prepare to fade. The biggest guard number 2 still, like other size. Number 2 guard still fully open. Always comb the hair, guys, to make it clear. You can see what you are doing. Yeah. Fully open, number 2 guard, yes. You see, guys, I hope you can see what I'm doing, guys. Now it's fully closed, still number 2. Always clean your client to make you feel comfortable. Now it's number 1 guard, 1.5 fully open, guys. One and a half guard fully open, and I'm gonna close it after. Yeah, close it now. Nice close. One and a half guard close now. Now number 1 guard still fully open, guys. Don't go too much up where you stop with number 2 guard or 1.5. Just before the end. You see what I'm doing? No, not too up. This is 1 guard open. Now I'm gonna close it when I'm going down. You see, now it's closed when I'm going down. When I'm going up, I open the guard. Now I'm going to my half guard, halfway open still. If it's up, it's fully open. When I'm going down, halfway open, completely down, I'm close it. Yeah, there, close it. If it's up, I'm open it halfway. You see, now it's 0 guard, just on the line. To complete take off the line completely off, just on the line. Yeah, no guard. Going back with my 1.5 guard for the detail job, like other size, to make it look crispy. You can see how the fit coming together. And this is the back. Sometimes it's a bit hard to do the back, so I take my time for the back. I leave the back to do it properly. You see, it's a 1 guard open. I always insist to the back because it's a bit hard. Sometimes it's thicker in the back, so take your time there. Number 1 guard, connect. You see, open, still open. To connect, you see how I'm connecting to the size. Open, fully open. Now close. Nice close now. When I'm going down, I close the guard. If it's up, it's open. Always insist. Sometimes the place is dark, the hair is dark this corner, so insist a bit there. Go there every time so it can be properly fade. So go there every time, like you can see me doing it. Now I'm going to my half guard, halfway open because I'm down. You see, it's halfway open there, halfway open. You see, halfway open, just in the line. When I'm going up with the blade with the fade, I open it fully the guard. Now some detail job I'm doing there. Number 1 open, connect. Because remember before it was 1.5 open. Now is number 1 open. Now close, number 1 close. I hope you can see what I'm doing, guys. This number 1 close, guys. Take your time, it's a process, trust your process, guys. And then it's a half guard, halfway open. You see the way they fit coming together. Halfway open, you can see, just on the line. To connect the fade and the number 1 close. You can see the fit coming together. Now take off my guard, no guard, open for the detail job, just on the line, don't go too much up. You see, if you're going up, you use the corner of the blade, the clipper, I mean. Now I'm going to the beard. I'll start fade the beard up. Try to connect the beard to the hair. Now I'm doing some detail job here now. You see, my half guard, no guard, Open, close, use the corner of the blade, go around everywhere. You can see what I'm doing, detail job. You see everywhere the head. Go back there again, check properly. And use the guard you think you need to use there. Use the guard fit. Now I'm doing some detail job, guys. Detail job. I hope you see what I'm doing, guys. Take your time towards the process. Now it's the beer. The beer was number 1.5 guard. Now this is my shape up. I start in the middle. You see? I start in the middle. I go one size left. And then I do the corner. Like you can see, I'm doing it. Come this side as well. Start on the middle to connect to other sides. Always start your shape up in the middle, guys, to make it easy for you. I hope you see what I'm doing, guys. Now I'm shaping the beer. We're touching it up. Connect to the top. Then we make some straight line there. Ask my client if he wants it bigger or lower. I say he wants the medium in the middle. So the line going to be in the middle. That's what it's telling me to do. Always listen to your customer and what they want. Don't do what you want. Always ask them what they like exactly to their beer, to their lineup, how they want it to be. Ask them before you start doing it. Yeah, that's what you do. Now I'm shaping the beer. Like you can see, slowly. Hope you see what I'm doing, guys. Asking my customer if I can give a transition to the beer on top of the nose. He say no, I leave it like that. I hope you see what I'm doing, guys. Now I'm shaping inside the beer. Take your time, do it gently. Take your time when you are shaping the beer. You see the way I'm holding the clipper to shape the beer. It's pretty done, guys. They asked me to put now. You want some little line there. Because some gap there, ask me to put some gap there. Just do and put some small gap there, above size. Yeah. Now I use my blade to make the shape up crispy. And the beer as well crispy. Before you use the blade, you can spray a bit some water or some gel to make it easy for yourself. Before you start shaping with the blade, you spray a bit some water or some gel before attacking the blade. Yes guys, that's my technique to use blade to shape. Now I apply a bit my handset to give a bit more crispy shape up for my client. They asked me to do it, so I'm doing it. I just apply the handset when the customer asks me to do it, to make it look a bit more fresh. Yes guys, that's what I do. That's what I do. That's my technique. Hope you see what I do. Take some to my technique to apply to yours, to your games. Yes guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. It's your brother Dollar Hairstyle. God bless you guys. To support me, to encourage me, so I keep doing the same thing like this guys. I'm here to share my knowledge. I'm here to share my knowledge with you guys. Thank you to support me, to encourage me guys. God bless you guys. One love for you guys watching this video. And after I spray my handset, I use the blade to finish the shape up, make it look more crispy. That's the job done guys. That's the job done. That's the final result. Thank you to watch it, and see you next time guys. One love. Bye.